difference between Snapdragon and MediaTek processor. So fundamentally, the difference comes in the integration part, where in MediaTek we use the less integration compared to the Snapdragon. In Snapdragon, we have the great integration for different constituents like graphics, modem, and AI competency. Coming to the instruction sets, MediaTek uses ARM's instruction set architecture, that is ISA, for CPU cores and Malice for graphics. And most of the processors are available right now in the market. And in Snapdragon, it uses ARM's instruction set architecture like Cortex A and Adreno for graphics related tasks. Coming to the different processor available now at the market, we have starting from the Dimensity 9400 and Snapdragon 8 Lite, which were the two processors just released in October 2024. And then we have the Apple's A18 Pro and A18. Then we have the Dimensity 9300 Plus, and then we have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and A17 Pro and so on. So we can see the difference comes in ANTTU score. So that differs in most of the processors. At the top, we have the Snapdragon and the Dimensity. So these are the competing processor right now available in the market. We're going to see the specific processor that's Snapdragon's 8 Elite, that is 8 Gen 4. So today, Arduino 830 is used as GPU in Snapdragon 8 Elite, and 8 cores are used, and the clock speed is 4320. So this processor was announced in lately in October, in 21st October 2024, and its manufacturing is using 3 nanometer chipset. So we can see the chip size to be around like very small coming to length, but it's coming out to be 10 millimeter or approximately 10 millimeter. You can handle it in hand. So this is the typical size of the chip which is used in 8 Lite. So it has 2 cores of Orleans Phoenix L at 4320 megahertz and 6 cores Orleans Phoenix M at 3530 megahertz. These are the cores available. So coming up to 8 cores in 8 Elite. So next we can see what they have improved in their test bench score. So here we can see that the test bench score is coming to be 31 lakh 9010. So we can see the constituent CPU score, it's coming around 6 lakh 74,094, and GPU score coming on 12 lakh 90,308, and memory score should be coming around 5 lakh 88,575, and UX score is coming around 5 lakh 56,033, which sums up to the total score of 31 lakh 9,010. So we can see what they have improved in their 8 Elite compared to the previous processors. So where they have improved is their security, coming to their sound quality. They have improved lossless sound at 96 kilohertz, 24-bit sound quality. Then in gaming, they have improved their performance to around 40% than their previous marks. So coming to the power saving, it has improved their CPU to 44% more power saving than GPU at 40% more. So next we can see their improvement in the single core at a 45% more improvement, and the multi-core at 45% more improvement. Then web browsing has been improved by 62%. And coming to the camera, where we use great AI related stuff like erasing part of an image, which uses most of the Snapdragon Snapdragon's processor for processing the image and cutting out the unwanted images. We are using the 3 nanometer processor. So here it has improved in their 5G 5G advanced connectivities, and that's the 8 Elite. Next, we're going to see about the MediaTek 9400. So this processor is having a GPU of Malice G925 and Immortalis MP12, and similarly we have the 8 cores, and the clock speed is around 3630 megahertz. And this processor was announced in early October, that's 9th October 2024, and it's similarly manufactured in 3 nanometer process technology, which is similar in size, which can be held inside the hand. That's 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter length and breadth, and it has one core Cortex X925 running at the clock speed of 3630, and three cores of Cortex X4 at 3300 megahertz, and four cores Cortex A720 at 2400 megahertz, summing out to 8 cores, which are used in MediaTek Dimensity 9400. So next we can see the AMTTU score. So this comes to around 30 lakh 7,853. So we can see the constituent CPU score, GPU, memory, UX scores. So CPU scores comes to around 6,52,381, and GPU scores coming to around 13,22,761, and memory comes to around 5,21,453, and UX score comes around 5,11,258, and the total score is coming to around 30 lakh 7,853. So the difference comes here at MediaTek Dimensity compared to the previous processors is their big core design, which they have designed to use like 40% less power usage consumption, and then their mobile gaming, they have improved their mobile gaming performance. In that they have reduced the power saving by 44%. Then their camera related and the zooming related stuff, they have improved in their 4K 60 FPS video capturing at like 14% less power usage, and its smooth zooming facility they have improved. Then they're thinking about the futuristic tri-foldables mobiles that's presently being released in the market, and they have made the chipset for them for using for like immersive apps, entertainment, and productivity. Next, we have the sound sensations, which they have improved for 24-bit 384 kilohertz Bluetooth audio technologies, and for 24-bit audio recording purposes. And they have improved their chips for 5G with a chip for AI, where they have improved for the 5G capability of the device. Then they have also included Wi-Fi 7 for connectivity for the internet, which they have improved the data rate to 7.3 Gbps using the 4 nanometer Wi-Fi Bluetooth combo chip, like which uses 50% less power. Thank you.